Okay, we have here Canon Rebel T3. Comes in this plain box. This is how it'll be shipped to you. You get all of the discs that come with it, instruction manuals, and this is a software instruction manual, and this is a solution disc. So it comes with everything. Here's the original manual from the factory. You can see still only plastic. This is a lot of information, and it's something that you want to read. Here's the hookup for your computer. Still in this plastic bag. Looks like it's never been opened. Strap to carry it. Still in the plastic bag. Looks like it's never been opened. Charger. And the way this charger works is you flip this down, you plug it in. You pop your battery in it. If you try to put the battery in upside down, it won't go, so you don't have to worry about putting it in the wrong way. Only goes in one way. Okay, here's the camera body. It'll come separate. They'll be wrapped separate. The body will be wrapped, and the lens will be wrapped. Have a cover for the camera so that it doesn't get dirt and junk in it. Okay, here's the lens. Has a lens cover. It also has a cover for the back end of the lens, so it stays nice. And when you get the camera, you'll need to put these together. There's a red dot. I'm not really sure what it lines up with, but there's some metal pieces here. That's how I usually line it up, the red dot with the metal pieces. And it only fits one way also. And you screw it on just so, clockwise. As you can see, this looks brand new. There's no wear on it whatsoever. It's a factory refurbished. I can't call it brand new, but I think if you set this one up next to a brand new one, you'd have a real hard time telling the difference. This is like, I don't know if they use it at all or if it was ever used. Okay, so the battery goes in like it does on most cameras. It's best if you look down there and you line up the metal tabs. You can see which side to put it in. Same with the battery though. If you put it in wrong, it won't go. So you just flip it around and it'll work the other way. Okay, this camera does not come with an SD card, so I'm just going to put this SD card in for purposes of this demonstration. This is my own SD card, and it slides in the way most SD cards do. Same thing, if you put it in wrong, it won't go. Don't try to force it, just flip it around and try it the other way. So it's all ready to go, and it's on automatic right now. This is a good camera for automatic mode. But of course you can go to manual and do things like change the shutter speed, change the ISO, change the f-stops. So you know, if you're taking some pictures by candlelight, this camera can do it. Okay, so right on top is the on-off switch. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. To go to photo, push the little button that looks like a camera, and there it is. It's ready to shoot. I'm going to go ahead and shoot a couple shots for you. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little. The flash just popped up. The camera senses when it needs a flash. Go ahead and go back to wide angle. Take another shot. Okay, so when you want to look at your photos, push the arrow, and there you are. There's the photos we just took. Okay, so that's about it. This is the camera. Okay, at the end of this video, I took some photos with this camera. I have a little slideshow for you so you can see what it can do out in the outdoors with some good light, and that way you'll get to know exactly what the camera can do and what you're going to get. So stay tuned and watch that. Thanks.